What if I told you you could generate amazing designs like this in minutes using just a simple prompt? Canva has just dropped a fantastic update introducing Canva AI with its sleek new user interface. This powerful tool is designed to help you create high-catching designs in minutes. Let me show you how I create my designs using Canva AI step by step. The first thing you are going to do is for you to go to canva.com. When you go to canva.com, this is the entire interface of your designs. As you can see, I've created lots and lots of designs using Canva. And here is where you are going to use your Canva AI to create your designs as you wish. So let's jump right in. Now I'm going to click on this, make me an image. Now it will give you an interface for you to input your prompts. As you can see, I have generated lots of images without any stress. I'm going to show you everything you need to know using this Canva AI. So the first thing you are going to do here is for you to input your prompt. I have this prompt book in the description below. So if you are interested in using my prompt book, so you can check the description below and download the prompt book for free. This prompt says a hyper-realistic depiction of a futuristic AI robot assisting a daily task, and the rest of the details attached to it. Now I have put this prompt here. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to hit on create. Wow, and this is very beautiful. So you are going to choose one of these creations that it has created for you. Okay, this is very nice. This looks very real, very realistic. Now let me show you where it is becoming very interesting. Now you'll be very shocked that you can use Canva AI to create an entire design, and this is where it is becoming more interesting. So I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to create an entire design without really looking for how to edit, how to upscale, how to do whatever thing. Okay, let's go right in. All right, with this prompt I want to create an entire flyer. Wow. So now let's choose one of these designs here. Let's choose one of these designs here. And you have noticed that Canva AI has helped me to create a complete marketing flyer for a food delivery business in few minutes. So you don't have to open your Canva editor to edit anything. Now, let me show you one part that you have to know concerning this. Now, if you want to change anything in this design, you can simply say use green color text. And you've noticed that you can tweak the design based on what you are looking for. You can tweak it and tweak it again and again. So after creating your design, if you want to add any custom editing to your design, Canva AI will give you that opportunity to edit, add or remove from this design. So let me show you. You can open this in Canva editor. After bringing your design to the Canva editor, you can add any text to this design, you can add any image to this design, or you can tweak this design anyhow you want it. And then finally, when you are done, you are free to download your design and use for your business. This Canva AI feature is a game changer for all creators and business owners who wants to create realistic designs for their businesses. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can be updated with all these design tips.